So hello friends, welcome back to our SYMFONOS series 4. So let's start. This is the money machine of SYMFONOS 4, and you can see this in the description, its name, and difficulty is intermediate, tested VirtualBox, and about the network DHCP protocol, and the OSCP like intermediate real life based machine designed to tech people the importance of trying harder. This work better with VirtualBox rather than VMware. Yes, it's good for VirtualBox. You know that I'm already start this machine. So our IP is 192.168.1.39. It's already short. It's IPv4, but we are again search the IP using the scan sudo. So now you can see this. There is PCS technique, PCS system technique 1.39, 192.1.39. So let's scan this network, scan this IP, our victim machine 1.39 through the nmap automator. So there is two port open, port number ATP, TCP protocol on HTTP. If it's HTTP, so let open the browser, open a tab, just type the IP because it's a HTTP protocol 192.168.1.39. You can see this, there is an image. Just check the source code, there is nothing. So now we are using the derp tool for the directories. I'm already set this the path of word list because it's a PHP 39. So as you see, there is a two links. So copy the link, open the browser, and we again. So now you can see this, there is a login section. So let's try to the SQL injection, boolean based SQL injection for the login. I'm setting this value and copy this value and the same value in the password section through the login. Now it's login. So there is an option in the select a code when we are using select heads. So this is the showing some content. Heads was the god of underworld, and the name eventually came to also describe the home of the dead as well. He was the oldest male child of Mons and REH. So you can see that in the URL section there is a file. So let's try to the SQL. So first we check, just a minute. So there is a 22 port number already open. Port number 22 open SSH. So we are trying to execute because this website is a PHP link. So we are trying to execute a SSH positioning for a LFI. So SSH, and we are setting a parameter CMD. Also already are set the parameter, just change the IP. After that, we don't know about the password, so let's check again. Before the SSH positioning, we are executing one more thing, dot slash var slash log, because there is a log. We are set that time in the inspection of page auth, log slash auth. So now you can see that there is a root UID, root user ID. So we are using also the SSH positioning, and we are set the parameter of CMD. So let's use in for the LFI vulnerability trying, and CMD is equal to slash cat slash etc slash past bluety. Now you can see this, that the response is changed. Now we can see this session opened by user root. So just find out the session invalid user. Where is the invalid user? You can see this, there is etc past uploading all reports. So now we are using the Metasploit framework from the web delivery. So MSF console, so now MSF console is open Metasploit framework. So we are searching web delivery protocol. It's not protocol, it's a web delivery exploit. So you see this, the number one exploit multi-script slash web delivery. It's a manual exploit, we are use it. Now set target. First of all, we are checking the options. So there is required some allost and exploit target. And payload is Python. No, we are using the payload is PHP. So first of all, set the payload. PHP /meterpreter Let's reverse TCP. Just copied it. Reverse TCP. Set L host. Check the IP. I have config. Now you can see this, our IP is 192.168.1.54. 192.168.1.54. Set target 1. Again we are checking the options. Options. So you can see that there is exploit target number 1 PHP and our payload now run this. You can use a command also exploit, but I am also using run, so let's run. Now you can see this, there is a URL php-d allow URL with the IP, copied it. Now we are using in our LFI vulnerability in the web. After that you can see this, there is a session created. So after the session created, check the sessions. You can see this session information www-data @SYMFONOS is 4 and the IP is also there. So interact with session. Session ID 1, enter. We got our meter. So go to the shell, enter. Now we establish our shell using a Python command. Now our shell is established. So let's check the services. We are using a SS command. I'm already set it. Now you can see this has a -tulpn. Internal server services. So you can see this, there is a TCP protocol listening and it's open and it's working on local host. So now we are port forwarding through the socket. So we are using the socket command. Socket TCP protocol listen 9999 port number, reuse add fork TCP localhost 8080 because it's work on localhost. Let's enter it. So you can see this, it's working. So now we are starting our bub shoot through the bub command. Go to the proxy tab, open the browser. So 192.168.1.39 and the port is 9999. Let's enter it. So you can see this, when we are entered it, there's a redirect who am I. Let's close it. Now it's a Poseidon first website beta. Welcome back Poseidon. So let's check. Now how using our intercept is on. Now you can see this. There is a cookie username, because in that page, the first website, it's a cookie. Now copy this and select and send to the decoder. Now go to the decoder tab and decode as base 64. Now you can see this, it's decode. So when we are searching about there, it's a pixel JSON string. So we are using a script for the reverse connection, pixel JSON script. I'm already write this script. Copy this script. Sorry. Now we are copy this. So let's encode in base 64. Now copy this string, go to the proxy tab. When we are capture this request and the cookie username, let's replace this. As you can see that in this script I'm using netcat and IP is 1.54 and port number 9898. So we are using a reverse connection. So let's open a new tab and the netcat -LVP port number 9898. Let's enter. Go back to the bubshoot. After the replace in encode screen, just forward it. After the forwarding, go to the terminal, check it. We are connected. Check the who am I, root ID, root cd/root. Now we are root, just ls. There is a flag proof.txt. Just see it. So you can see the our privilege escalation already completed. So we are capturing the flag. If you have any doubt, tell me in the comment box. So thanks for watching this video. We will meet again in the SYMFONOS 5 next machine in this series.